Greetings and a warm welcome, esteemed viewers and tech enthusiasts. We are thrilled to have you join us once again on our channel, where we are committed to revolutionizing your online experience. Today, we are embarking on an exciting journey to bid farewell to the woes of slow internet speeds and welcome a new era of lightning-fast connectivity with the remarkable TSS Max Pro VPN's cutting-edge fastest UDP settings. Prepare to immerse yourself in a comprehensive guide meticulously crafted to elevate your internet speed and efficiency to unparalleled heights. Let's dive into these transformative steps designed to optimize your online connectivity and immerse you in a realm of seamless browsing experiences. Step 1. Begin this empowering journey by diving into the vast landscape of the Google Play Store and embark on a quest to acquire the transformative TSS Max Pro VPN application, your gateway to a realm of enhanced internet speeds. Step 2. Install the application with a sense of anticipation, unveil its digital realm, and gracefully step into the settings section. Here, your journey towards enhanced browsing performance takes flight as you gently tap on the Update option, which is elegantly indicated by the 3 lines icon in the corner, ensuring you are abreast of the latest features for an optimized browsing venture. Step 3. Proceed with a sense of purpose by tapping on the Online Update option, ushering in a wave of fresh advancements that will harmonize seamlessly with your browsing experience, ensuring a smooth and efficient digital voyage. Step 4. Elevate your browsing prowess by selecting either UDP or UDP Pro connection types, strategically chosen for optimal performance, carving a path for you to experience the peak of browsing efficiency. Step 5. Expand your horizon further by opting for the All-Country UDP server option, a strategic move designed to amplify your browsing speed and efficiency across landscapes, allowing you to transcend geographical boundaries in the digital realm. Step 6. Conclude this enlightening journey by commencing secure browsing and igniting a super-speed connection with a seamless tap on the Start button, catapulting yourself into an accelerated digital experience. Please show your appreciation by liking this video, subscribing to our channel for continuous insights, sharing your invaluable thoughts in the comment section, and exploring our Telegram and WhatsApp channels through the provided links. Thank you for embarking on this journey towards enhanced internet speeds with TSS Max Pro VPN. Let's optimize your online connectivity experience together.